In 5 years, we improved the computer graphics by 1,000 times. In 5 years, using artificial intelligence and accelerated computing. Moore's law is probably currently running at about 2 times. 1,000 times in 5 years. 1,000 times in 5 years is 1,000,000 times in 10. We're doing the same thing in artificial intelligence. Now, question is, what can you do when your computer is 1,000,000 times faster? I have a lot to tell you, very little time, so let's get going. Ray tracing, simulating the characteristics of light and materials, is the ultimate accelerated computing challenge. 6 years ago, we demonstrated for the very first time rendering this scene in less than few hours. Let's take a look at the difference in just 5 years. Roll it. This is running on CUDA GPUs 6 years ago, rendering this beautiful image that would have otherwise taken a couple of hours on a CPU. So this was a giant breakthrough already. Enormous speed up running on accelerated computing. And then we invented the RTX GPU. Run it, please. The holy grail of computer graphics ray tracing is now possible in real time. AI made it possible for us to do that. Everything that you saw would have been utterly impossible without AI. For every single pixel we render, we use AI to predict 7 others. For every pixel we compute, AI predicted 7 others. The amount of energy we save, the amount of performance we get is incredible. We used AI to render this scene. We're going to also use AI to bring it alive. Today we're announcing Nvidia ACE Avatar Cloud Engine that is designed for animating, to bringing a digital avatar to life. It has several characteristics, several capabilities: speech recognition, text-to-speech, natural language understanding, basically a large language model, and using the sound that you will be generating with your voice, animate the face. And using the sound and the expression that you're saying, animate your gestures. All of this is completely trained by AI. It is completely rendered with ray tracing. Everything is real time.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
I have heard he hangs out in the underground fight clubs on the city's east side. Try there.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful, Kai.
None of that conversation was scripted. We gave that AI, this Jin AI character, a backstory. His story about his ramen shop and the story of this game. And all you have to do is go up and talk to this character. And because this character has been infused with artificial intelligence and large language models, it can interact with you, understand your meaning, and interact with you in a really reasonable way. All of the facial animation completely done by the AI. We have made it possible for all kinds of characters to be generated. They have their own domain knowledge. You can customize it, so everybody's game's different. And look how wonderfully beautiful they are and natural they are. This is the future of video games. This is the new computer industry. Software is no longer programmed just by computer engineers. Software is programmed by computer engineers working with AI supercomputers. These AI supercomputers are a new type of factory. It is very logical that a car industry has factories. They build things that you can see, cars. It is very logical that computer industry has computer factories. You build things that you can see, computers. In the future, every single major company will also have AI factories. and you will build and produce your company's intelligence. We are intelligence producers already. It's just that the intelligence producers, the intelligence are people. In the future, we will be intelligence producers, artificial intelligence producers. And every single company will have factories, and the factories will be built this way.